Hello Wargamers, this is Sefil, and you're watching Sefil Wargaming. Today we're gonna build 6mm palm trees. Take a barbecue stick and some brown paint, and paint the whole stick with it, then put it away. Take a chenille wire, those that you use to clean pipes, and some watered down green paint. I'm using yellow and blue because I do not have green paint. And paint the whole wire green, then leave it to dry. Take back your barbecue stick and using your X-Acto knife, roll it under the blade in order to cut a piece of at least 1 centimeter in height. Using a pair of pliers, clip off from the chenille wire at least 3, but no more than 5 pieces of wire, maximum as lengthy as piece that you already cut from the barbecue stick. After you're done, holding the barbecue stick in place using some glue tack, use super glue and attach the branches, and you're done. This is the final result with a little clay hut that I built some months ago. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.